Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, October the 19th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle and the Sudoku Medium, and last one is a killer Sudoku. Regular puzzles, yes, because we have also an additional, but not in today's newspaper. Let me show you. In today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me zoom this out. Yes. What I will do for today, the extra puzzles, well, in the yesterday's edition we have I believe three puzzles left. And after the regular puzzles, later on I will do in the evening the three puzzles in the additional. Yes, so no extra puzzles in today's newspaper, only these three regular puzzles. All right, so let me start with the Sudoku. No, the binary puzzle. Yes, by the way, the news of today, well, today it's war day number 238. 238 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything changed in the world. Yes, all the prices going up, the energy, the gas, everything. Life is expensive, and people are struggling financial. All right, let me start with the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 5350. Yes, 5350. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so let's get started. Let me see. Well, double one here, no, there, no. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. Double one here, no, there, no. I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and a fifth O. So this box should be a 1, that box should be also a 1, and also this box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 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 5 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Here we have also 4 O's and 4 1s. Okay, between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. 4. Yeah. Need another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Now we have 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. Yes. So the rest are O's. Then. Think. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. And now, haha. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Oh, double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. And between 2 1s comes an O. Finish in 6 minutes. Well. I like this one. Without no comparing. Yes, no comparing. So it's an easy one. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle, a medium Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.